Hey guys, in today's video, you'll learn to set up OpenCode Desktop from scratch and take your new project from an empty folder to a fully structured code base. We are going to utilize its dual agent system to architect our entire setup using plan mode to map out the logic and folder structure, and then switching to build mode to actually generate our files and core functionality directly in the editor. OpenCode is a powerful open source AI coding agent designed to transform your workflow. As you can see in the document, it's packed with professional features like LSP support, multi-session management, and native support for over 75 LLM providers, giving you total control over which model powers your code. The desktop app is cross-platform, available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. To get started, click Download for Windows. It will just take a moment for the installer to download to your machine. Once the download is complete, launch the installer. You will see the setup interface. Simply click Next to begin. We will stick with the default destination folder for this demo, so click Next again. Now we will just wait a few seconds for the installation to wrap up. And we are all set. Click Next and then Finish. OpenCode Desktop will launch automatically. And we are ready to start building our first project. Before we start building, let's make the workspace our own. I will head into settings and I will switch the color scheme to a dark theme. But you can choose whatever fits your style. Next, let's look at the provider section. This is where OpenCode really shines. You can see I am currently connected to Olama Cloud, but you can easily plug in other providers like OpenCode Gen or OpenCode Go. In the Models tab, you have full control to enable or disable specific LLMs depending on your project needs. Now let's get our workspace ready. Click on Import Project and create a new folder for our API. Give your project a name. And just like that, it's successfully imported. By default, the app might open in build mode, but as a best practice, we should always switch to plan mode first. This allows architect the solution before a single line of code is written. Now we will provide our prompt. You can write your own or even ask the AI to help you draft one. I am telling the agent, act as a senior developer and build a Node.js API with a PostgreSQL database following a layered architecture. I have also specified the exact file structure and endpoints I want. Hit send, and you can see we are getting unauthorized error. It's because the RNJ18B model is a cloud-based provider that requires an API key. To keep things moving, I will simply switch to a free model like Big Pickle. I will paste my prompt back in, hit resend. And as you can see, it's now successfully generating our full project plan. As you can see, OpenCode has mapped out our entire project structure, everything from the .amb and package.json to our controllers and routes, exactly as we requested. It's even asking for specific details to ensure the setup is perfect. We will target Node 18 plus, confirm the basic validation steps, and now the plan is ready. To move from theory to action, we simply switch from plan mode to build mode. Now we can proceed with the plan. OpenCode is now executing the right operations. In real time, it's generating our package.json environment variables, models and routes. You can track every file being created in the All Files section of the editor, or even watch them pop up directly in your VS Code Explorer. It's even handling the terminal work for us. It's currently running the shell commands to install all our dependencies, Express, Postgres, and .env. OpenCode has built all the connection logic and even provided an init.sql script to create our users table. However, since your PostgreSQL database lives on a local machine, you will need to create the MyApp database yourself and update .env file with your specific credentials. Once you have done that, the backend is fully integrated and ready to roll. Now let's take a closer look at the all file section. If we open up the user model, you can see it's already defined the core database queries. Moving over to the controller, the functionality is already there. And finally, if we check the routes file, the endpoints for our GET and POST requests are already mapped out and linked to the controller. With our environment setup, we can check our package.json and see that AI already configured our start scripts. Let's trigger the server using node server.js. There it is, server running on port 3000. The AI even provided the test points so we can verify our API immediately. Just make sure your local database is connected and you have a fully functional Node.js backend built entirely through an AI agent. So that's it. In this video, we successfully went from a blank folder to a structured running Node.js API using OpenCode Desktop. We saw how to plan, troubleshoot and automate the entire build process. Thank you guys for watching this video.